There is so much panic in the State House as government of Uganda fails to show people Fred LUMBUYE. Hello, welcome, and thanks for taking your time joining us live on Projan Media TV. That brings the latest news and the latest updates in the country and across the world. Kindly do one thing, subscribe and turn on the notification button for all these updates. There is looming panic within State House after the bragging Museveni regime has failed to account for the whereabouts of social media sworn critic, also National Unity Platform member Kajjubi Fred LUMBUYE. Early on Friday, the Minister for Foreign Affairs, Oryem, had bragged how Kampala and Turkey had agreed to extradite the regime critic back to Uganda by 3 a.m. in the wee morning hours of Saturday, July 7th, after a flight of Turkish Airlines had been dispatched to take part in the mission. However, even while Uganda was confident that LUMBUYE would be deported, reliable sources say this may not be authentic. With the way they love press conference by now, Enanga would be addressing the public on how they have captured their nemesis and comments on Ugandan social media usual. And indeed, we are now over 10 hours away from the time Minister Oryem claimed LUMBUYE would be in the territory of Uganda. The Turkish Airlines flight, which arrived in Uganda via Kigali, is said to have been a decoy meant to hoodwink Ugandans and justify the regime media propaganda that the blogger was being legally extradited. And sources at the Kigali airport say they checked the list of travelers in that particular flight, but they did not see anyone named Kajjubi Fred LUMBUYE, contrary to what the minister, Honorable Oryem, had alleged. Inside sources say efforts to extradite LUMBUYE could have failed on grounds that Turkey and Uganda do not have any extradition treaty contrary to the international laws. And it is also said that as per the EU, there is European Union covenant that if Turkey risks to surrender LUMBUYE to the Ugandan authorities, when it knows he shall face torture and persecutions, then it's a direct breach of the international laws on asylum. Given the 2018 Saudi critic Jamal Khashoggi's murder in Turkey, chances are high that Recep Tayyip Erdogan may not wish to face international condemnation for abetting political-inspired extradition. By press time, the Museveni government had not even published a photo to justify that LUMBUYE has been deported, as they did with Olympian weightlifter Julius Sechitoleko when he was ejected from Japan. Well, that is it for now. We'll keep on updating with more of this. Kindly do one thing, subscribe and turn on the notification button. All these updates will come to you in time. Once again, thanks for watching Projan Media TV.